We're back in Target and we're looking at healthy laundry detergents. It's hard to find, but you can find them here. And we have something new to me called 9 Elements. And we also have 7th generation pods. These are good choices as opposed to what's behind me. Those Tide, a lot of endocrine disruption there, which means it's going to mess with your hormones, mess with your children's hormones. We don't want that at all. And dryer sheets, horrible fragrances that are really toxic. Let's do this instead. These are dryer balls. You can actually put essential oils on them to decrease static and make your clothes smell great. So when we're looking at changing in our laundry, you don't have to do it right away, but you do want to do it. And look, it's right across the aisle to something healthier, even better than it is with the commercial regular stuff that you probably grew up with.